Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Winter melon is one of the most highly prized vegetables in this world. So today I'm going to share a winter melon recipe with you guys. Hope you will like it. First, prepare the winter melon and cut it into slices. Prepare a plate and put the winter melon slices onto it. Prepare the pork and cut it. Use a meat grinder and mince the pork. Add 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of cooking wine, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of white pepper powder, half spoon of sugar. Mix well and let it marinate for 10 minutes. Put the minced meat onto the plate like this. Crack an egg and put it in the center of the plate. Now cover the plate with plastic wrap. Prepare the steamer and steam it for 20 minutes. Cut some scallion and put it on the top. Now add 1 spoon of seafood soy sauce. Prepare the pan and heat some oil. Pour the oil onto the dish, and now it is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I will see you guys soon.